Hello folks, this is Aditya from inspiredtorise.com and this is the ASUS VivoBook X505. So guys, we will start off with an unboxing for the VivoBook X505. This is one of the latest laptops by ASUS. It comes with warranty card documentation and inside you get the power adapter, which is a 45 watt one and outputs 19 volt DC current. If I talk about the build and design of this laptop, ASUS seems to have gone really low on the design budget this time around. It looks like the previous VivoBooks, but the build is very plasticky, and at the back there are the speaker grills at the bottom, and overall the vents placement etc is also better, I can say, from before. If you look at the right hand side, there are the USB ports, the 3.5mm jack, the SD card slot, you get the Kensington slot port, you get the DC in, HDMI, one more USB, one USB type C and an Ethernet port. This laptop is just around 1.6 kilograms, so it's very lightweight. I guess they had to skimp on the build quality in order to make it lightweight. It comes with a 15.6 inch Full HD display, which is an anti-glare panel with just 45% NTSC color gamut support. It could have been better and it should have been better, and personally I feel that the colors on this laptop screen are very dull, not meant for any color correction or color grading work. And let's talk about the specs on the inside. The specific variant that we tested had Ryzen 5 2500U processor, which is a quad-core one, but there are also cheaper variants with Ryzen 3 processor. The one we tested had 8GB onboard memory, and you can expand via the memory slots. It has one more memory slot, so you can expand maximum up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and the 4GB model can be expanded up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. Let's talk about the keyboard on this device. It's one of the worst keyboards I have ever used on a laptop, and almost felt like the plastic from toys present on streets. So I think that the keyboard quality could definitely have been better. The touchpad is still respectable, but the keyboard plastic didn't even feel like a normal keyboard plastic material. It felt really bad, but overall I feel that for the price, the performance that this laptop offers is good. Let's talk about the battery. The battery can be charged up to 60% in 49 minutes with the fast charge, and the Radeon graphics are the saving grace for this laptop. It comes with internal Radeon Vega 8 graphics, and the one that we tested had 1TB 5400 RPM hard disk, no SSD over here. It supports dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2 and has got quite good speeds on Wi-Fi. The price for this laptop would be starting at a price of 31,000 rupees, and let's hear the sound output. The speaker placement is at bottom and the maximum volume was definitely not praiseworthy, so I didn't feel that the speakers are really that good on this laptop. Now let's talk about the whole package. So the kind of performance that you get on this laptop, the kind of nano edge display that it has, just a 7.7mm bezel, the processor, the graphics, for just a price of around 31,000 rupees. I feel that for that price, it's kind of justifiable. They have made some compromises on the overall build and few other things, and you can put an SSD later on, you can upgrade few things later on, but you can't upgrade the internal processor, and you can't upgrade the display on this one. And if you're somebody who's gonna do really serious work on their laptop, choose for bigger or better models. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.